Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As a short-term, cost-effective solution for an older vehicle, buying a used transmission from a junkyard can be a worthwhile option, but you need to do your homework and cross your fingers. Purchasing a transmission from an auto scrapyard to try to save a few bucks is a risky business.
Let's help you make your mark.
But on the subject of buying a used transmission, an adage applies: you get what you paid for. In other words, purchasing a used transmission is never a good idea unless you're doing it as a temporary measure to extend the longevity of an older vehicle.
Let's help you make your mark.
For a new transmission, you can typically expect it to last for up to 100,000 miles, which for most drivers will be about 7 years. When you buy used, the transmission may only last for 50,000 miles or fewer.
Take our lead.
Transmission replacement will cost anywhere from $800 to $3,400 depending on the type of transmission you are buying. Used transmissions cost about $1,150 with average prices ranging from $800 to $1,500. Rebuilt transmissions cost about $1,950 with average prices ranging from $1,100 to $2,800.24. February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On average, replacing a vehicle transmission costs around $2,600, with average prices the replacement of a transmission ranging from about $1,800 to $3,400 in the U.S. for 2020 according to Transmission Repair Cost Guide. 13 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.